Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really quick and easy fig and oat bread using some homemade dripped yogurt. This is a great breakfast or afternoon tea style loaf and an awesome way to use up extra bits of homemade yogurt. This is so simple, and because you know exactly what's going in there, you don't have to worry about any added nasties. There's no yeast in it, so there's no proofing time, no waiting around. It's just mix it in a bowl, get it in the oven, and it's good to go. Into a mixing bowl, pour in 2 cups or 200 grams of rolled oats, 1 heaped teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste, 1.5 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of chopped dried figs, 1/3 cup of chopped pecans or walnuts, 1 cup or 250 grams of dripped yogurt, and 2 eggs. Mix all of these ingredients together and then turn the batter out onto the center of a lined tray and shape it into a tidy dome with your hands or a spatula, and then sprinkle with poppy seeds. Bake in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes. Let it cool slightly before serving. This is really good served fresh out of the oven with a little bit of butter and honey, but you can keep it in an airtight container for a few days. You can toast it up and snack on it as you like. This is such an easy recipe to make when you're just feeling like something that's going to fill you up, but it's also healthy at the same time. Make sure you give this one a go for yourself at home. Check out the full recipe on the website and let us know what you think in the comments section below. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our recipes to come. And if you enjoyed this video, then give it a like for us, and we'll be back again really soon with another great recipe.